everybody, welcome back to our bathroom. This is another video I wanted to do for a while now, but I would like to do product reviews after I've experienced them for a while if it's something that I personally use. This is a RainSpa shower head. It's actually two shower heads and it has adjustable sprays. You can pick this up online or in some stores. I think RainSpa is available at Bed Bath & Beyond, definitely online, and definitely Amazon too. What I like about this is a nice gentle flow and the fact that you can change the settings from one head to the other. It has this really good hose. This is a very flexible hose, metal, and it is unlike other hoses that we've had that kind of force themselves in one way. This one stays the direction you put it and it hangs nicely and it gives you flexibility. Also with this shower set, it comes with another clamp, so if you wanted to put that hose down here, take it out and put it down below, if that's what you prefer, that is an option. I'm going to turn this on. It's going to get a little bit loud. It's set for both now. Nice and quiet. There's a diverter valve on this side. We'll let you divert from the bottom to the handheld, or like it is now on both. I prefer both, but that's preference. You see the paddle on each one of these. That little paddle is a gray right there. That one or that one. That will let you adjust, I think, 6 different spray intensities or patterns. That gives you just the nice preference that you want. We pretty much agree on this one, and this is a gentle, believe it or not, low water flow shower head. Not too loud. You can, if you want, go extra pressure. Let's see if I can do that. This is going to be hard to do with one hand. There we go. Hard to do with one hand, folks. Let's see if I can turn the one off. Rub it down there. There we go. So in the shower, while you're not holding the camera, it's much easier. I turn the one off and you start to see the different combinations of stuff. Now this is just not rare. Every shower head does things like this, and we've experienced several different kinds over the year. But this is the one I made the video on because I really like the RainSpa quality. We actually got one of these for the guest bathroom downstairs just because we like it so much. Another good thing is it's not going to break the bank. I'll list all the little attributes right here, and I think price on this, if you get a great deal, maybe $35. Terrible deal, maybe $45, but not a big discrepancy there. But I recommend it. This is the RainSpa shower head set. This one came with the extra mounting bracket. It has the wonderful 5-foot flexible holes and ergonomic handles. Nice 3-way water diverter. And just nice. I recommend it. Thanks for watching.